Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to make Skibidi Toilet in Infinite Craft. Alright, let's begin. First of all, open any type of preferred browser on your PC and search for Infinite Craft. After that, open the official website and you will be redirected to this web page. Now you just need to follow my steps carefully and you will be able to do it. First, add water and fire together to get steam. Then create another steam and add it with the previous one. Now add water to the cloud and you will get rain. After that, add water with it again to get a rainbow. Now place it aside and add water with earth to get a plant. After that, add wind and water to the plant and you get wine. Then add water with it and then again add water to it to get church. Now add rainbow with it and you get gay. Now set it aside, get water and add another water with it to get lake. Then get 2 fires to create a volcano and then add it to the lake. Now add another island with it and then add lake to create America. Once done, get 2 fires and add an island to get Hawaii. After that, add it to America and then again add America with it. Then combine gay with change to get straight and again add gay with it to create bi. After that, add another bi to get B. Now set it aside and add 2 lakes together. Then add ocean with it to get C. Once done, get America, add a continent and you get North America. Add another continent and you will be able to get Canada. Now add it with C and combine change with it. After that, add bi, add both of them together and set it aside. Now add 2 earths, add wind, add another avalanche and set it aside. Once done, add fire, water, fire, cloud, again water, and add it to the snow. Now add them together to get Skibidi. After that, add water, plant, again plant, and then get dandelion beside it and add a plant. Then get earth, add wind, and add it with the weed. Now add these together, set it aside, and then get 2 plants to create a tree. Then add water, earth, tree, another tree, paper, and add a delta with it. After that, add 2 alphabets, add a mountain, word, and set it aside. Now, add earth with fire, add water, add lava with it, and then add a stone. Once you get a blade, add stone, add another stone, combine it with chalk, add head to it, then combine it with the toilet and then mix both of them together. So that's basically how you can make Skibidi Toilet in Infinite Craft. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.